explain you about an animal cell. This is the diagram of an animal cell. There are four main parts of an animal cell, namely cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuole. First of all, cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell which gives cell its shape and allow only certain material to enter and exit through cell. And I want to tell you that the animal cell has no proper shape, but it has an irregular shape. So you can draw it into any shape. The next is nucleus. Nucleus is known as the controlling center of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. The next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance in which all the organelles are floating or suspending in it. The next is vacuole. The function of the vacuole is to store food, water and waste substances. So guys, this was all about an animal cell. If you want more academic videos like this, so do subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.